marry a man like no other. Light the fuse. Hallelujah, Hallelujah.
Bonjour à tous, alors ce matin on est devant Kinloch Anderson, c'est un fournisseur de tartans, notamment le fameux tartan Barbour. Barbour en a plusieurs, mais ces tartans proviennent de Kinloch. C'est une entreprise qui est familiale depuis 6 générations. Ils continuent à faire eux-mêmes leurs tartans en Écosse. Faut savoir que le tartan à la base, c'était voilà, l'habit traditionnel des Écossais. Chaque clan où chaque région d'Écosse avait son propre tartan. Ce sont des gens qui tiennent aussi un registre des tartans, parce que n'importe quelle entreprise, sous certaines conditions, peut fabriquer son tartan. Bien sûr, il faut qu'il y ait un lien à l'Écosse, mais on peut tout à fait imaginer que bonne gueule, demain, si on a une raison valable et un lien suffisamment fort avec l'Écosse, qu'on fasse notre propre tartan avec des couleurs qui en fait rappellent telle ou telle valeur ou tel lien, telle appartenance géographique ou sociale ou autre. Le tartan, c'est pas une science, c'est davantage une culture. L'important, c'est que le tartan ait une signification qui soit liée de manière culturelle à l'Écosse, mais que ce soit dans ses couleurs, dans sa conception au niveau historique et au niveau artistique, bien plus que finalement sa technicité.
Hi, my name is Kirsty Franey and I am the designer here at Kinloch Anderson. We believe that tartan is a gift that Scotland has given out to the world, really. So we very much welcome people to, approach us, and we will develop a tartan for them. But we have to make sure that the new design has a connection with Scotland. So we always do quite a lot of research into how that organisation or individual is connected back to Scotland. So that could be a name in the family. If they've got a clan name, we can use a clan, look into the research of that. Or it could be, a district where they've visited or something like that. We have lots of different tartans now. Modern tartans, antique tartans, ancient tartans, weathered tartans. Modern tartans are created with sort of modern dyes, and the antique tartans, even though today they're created with a modern dye, a chemical dye, they would have originally been vegetable dyes, sort of plant extracts. And you'll notice if you were to look at, that it's a slightly different colourway, and that is reflecting how it would have been historically. They would have used the sort of vegetable dyes. This is actually the Edinburgh Zoo panda tartan, and that was designed to sort of commemorate the arrival of the pandas to Edinburgh and Scotland. So really it was a nice sort of collaboration between Scotland and China, so we wanted to do something to celebrate that. This tartan, it was based on an original sort of Scottish set, and what we've done is we've entered in obviously the white and the black for a panda, and some grey shades which sort of show the gradation of colour on the fur of the panda, gives the design a bit of depth as well. We've also chosen a green, which is for the bamboo, which is the nourishment of the panda, and we've also added in some red as well, which shows China, our connection with China. So that that's really important. And also this has got 3 overchecks here. Now 3 is a lucky number in China, and we thought, we want to, give the tartan look. We're very lucky to have the pandas, so we've added that in as well. I believe that tartan is very emotional actually, and it does have, families specifically and organisations, they get very emotionally connected to it, and that's why people go, oh, we'll design a tartan, but actually when you start doing it, the more people come up with all sorts of ideas that they want to put in, because it's quite a special thing, and it's something that you will pass down to the next generation, and you want a clear story there. I think it's a very emotional thing. Once you start being involved in the sort of process, you actually get quite sort of involved and passionate about it. So it's a wonderful thing, really.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, that was great. Thank you.